Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Australian Diabolical Sudoku based on February 4, 2022 Diabolical Sudoku. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. Column F also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, column H and column J we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 3. Column H and column I also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 6. 5th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and column I we have 2. 6th row also we have 2. 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Sixth row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4 will confirm later. Column E and column G we have 6. 7th row and 4th row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C and column D we have 3. 4th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and column F we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J and column E we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8 will confirm later. Column B and 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row and 4th row we have 4 and 8, 1 and 4. 4 will come in any one of the cells. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grade. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row and column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Eighth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column E, we have 4. 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column E and column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. We will confirm later. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. We will confirm later. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. We will confirm later. 1st grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. Column G, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in the cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 5 and 7 will confirm later. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 2nd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. You can confirm 8 also here. 2nd row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fifth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 8. Column E, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in the cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. Column C we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. The 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.